Stardust tape-in hair extensions are a safe and easy solution for adding length and volume to your client's hair. Made from 100% European hair and Italian keratin, Stardust tape-in hair extensions feature an intact cuticle, allowing hair to be straightened or curled with ease. Original and invisible tape-in hair extensions give you the flexibility to create a custom application experience, tailored to fit your client's individual needs in under 1 hour. For damage-free application, Stardust tape-in hair extensions should be removed every 6 to 8 weeks. Hair can be reapplied 4 additional times, giving your clients 12 months of wear. Prior to application, it's critical to conduct a thorough consultation with your client. Asking plenty of questions and setting expectations is key. Has your client had extensions applied to their hair before? Do they long for added thickness, waist-length locks, or both? What about lifestyle? Does your client rock a top knot every day? Stardust offers a wide variety of different colors, lengths, and blends, making it easy to customize the application to fit your client's hair color, density, and texture. A few things to consider. If your client has no prior extension experience, you'll need to stress the importance of proper maintenance. To determine the right number of pieces you'll need, consider the density of your client's hair. Finally, always use your client's ends when color matching. To prep your client's hair for application, wash the hair with a cleansing shampoo, but skip the conditioner. Dry the hair thoroughly until it's moisture-free. For clients with blunt haircuts, texturize the ends before application to ensure a seamless blend. Create a part from ear to ear and begin application in the back section, working from the nape upwards. Each section should be clean and precise. Divide hair into 3 sections. Use clips to secure any hair above each row. Leave a 2-inch section above your first row to ensure extensions don't show when the hair is tied up. For clients with fine hair, cut extensions in half to create a more natural look and avoid pulling. To apply Stardust tape-in hair extensions, start by picking up a piece of hair approximately the same density and width as one extension piece. Hold hair with your index and middle fingers and flip up. This will provide more control when placing the extension. Place the extension piece, adhesive side up, 1/4 inch below the root of the hair. Be sure to hold the extension below the adhesive, as oil from your fingertips can compromise the adhesive. Carefully roll hair down over the adhesive to keep it smooth. Gently tap with a comb to ensure hair is secure. Place the second extension piece, adhesive side down, directly on top of the first, securing your client's hair between the 2 pieces. Use your fingers to press down on the sandwiched extension pieces to create a strong seal. You should be able to move the piece up and down without your client feeling any pulling. Loose hair stuck between 2 sandwiches can cause breakage and slipping. Moving to your second section, start with the middle piece to ensure sections are applied in a brick effect. The overlap provides maximum fullness with less extensions. Continue application row by row using Stardust original tape-in hair extensions. For your row above the ear, measure 1 inch above and let the hair drop. Apply left and right side pieces before moving to the back of the head. Stardust invisible tape-in hair extensions are perfect for application along the hairline, where extensions tend to be more visible. Always remind your clients that hair should not be washed or styled with products for 48 hours following application. Removing Stardust tape-in hair extensions is quick and easy. First, apply solvent remover directly above the adhesive and allow it to absorb. Next, use a comb to separate the sandwiched pieces. Start at the bottom of the hair and move upwards row by row. Use a Stardust extension organizer to keep your client's extensions in order. This will save you time when the hair is reapplied. Once you've removed all of the old adhesive, apply a tape tab directly over the top of the old tape tab. Be sure to match up the corners to ensure clean reapplication. Always remind your clients that hair should be cleaned but not conditioned when they visit the salon for reapplication. Are you ready to be a star girl? Stylist starter kits are available in your choice of light or dark hair. The kit features everything you need to get started, from a comb, brush, and tape tabs to solvent remover, shampoo and conditioner, and Stardust's extension organizer. To learn more, visit us online at stardusthair.co.